I will enjoy. Right.
Yeah, hey guys, what is
Alright,
up today? Me, my sister, my friend Nathan, who they both have YouTube channels, which, well, just, oh man, just went over my ankle, which will be underneath in the description. So guys, we're going to Loch Lomond today to go on our jet ski. So yeah, Evie's recording this as well. I'm going to take shots of different people being on it, jumping into the water, you know, all that. So guys, we'll take some shots on the way there, like bad traffic, some good views. Usually there's bad traffic. No. So yeah. So, and then the last time I'll actually be talking to you is back at Loch Lomond. So yeah, I'm not back, so at Loch Lomond. So yeah, see you there. Okay guys, so we're just going over the Erskine Bridge just now, which is, we actually have to go over this, otherwise we can't really get there. I'm pretty sure, and so there's roadworks it looks like, so I'll just show you what it's like. Down there, I'm not sure if you can see too well, but that is an absolutely giant cliff, or you can also see it down there, but not as well, actually you can. Up here, so yeah guys, it goes all the way down there, and then all the way down there. I think this is the River Clyde. Mum, is this the River Clyde? Yep, this is the River Clyde, which actually here, this is one of the bits that leads the River Clyde into the ocean. You never, it's that, so yeah, way up there is where it goes into the sea. What? So yeah. 15 minutes and we'll be there. I'll get someone to video me while I'm on it, when I'm on the jet ski guys. So yeah, 15 minutes. Yes, so see you. Oh wait, actually guys, just look, just rip there. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to wait. So yeah. Anything excited? Yep. First time ever been on the jet ski. We've all been in it before. Don't ask Mum to drive. She's terrible.
I can do it myself now.
Yeah, but still, the first like 4 times you tipped over the jet ski.
Yeah, that's correct.
See? Admission. Well, that's not right words, but who cares, guys? That's the Erskine Bridge. What? Wait, why? I'll come back when we get a clear shot. That's the Erskine Bridge.
Yeah, you can actually get here and go another way through Glasgow.
Oh, you can. So you can actually use those.
That's what we've done the last few times because of the roadworks in the Erskine Bridge. But it takes a bit longer.
How much longer?
Just over an hour.
Longer.
No, not longer. It takes about an extra 15-20 minutes.
Not bad to be traffic, but
So you need to get up to you one day.
okay guys, we have arrived at Loch Lomond. Finally. It's about an hour's journey. It doesn't seem like that. Usually there's hundreds of traffic. There wasn't any today. Probably because it was a Sunday.
I am French. I am
No,
from
he's
France.
genuinely not. That's like the worst French accent I think I've ever heard. Okay guys, so
I am France. I am from the France side.
okay guys, so do you want to see a shot of Loch Lomond? Well, obviously you do. Yeah, okay, ready? So guys, seconds, just got to quick cutscene. The grand reveal. Okay, it's cooler when you get out here. So it goes all,
I am from the France side.
guys, it goes all the way down there. Then also see here. See, not just there, but all the way over. No, actually, wait. Then also all the way round there, down there, yeah, all the way round that corner. You can go all the way down there, guys. It's absolutely amazing. Obviously, we're not going to go that full way. We're going to go to a certain point. Our dad's just coming in. Can you see him? Just that spout of water like next to the boat lake. Yeah. That's our dad.
Nathan, look. Evie, are this way the tiger? Evie.
So yeah, guys, we'll be back with. Actually, that could be our dad.
Let's go at the
No, because Dad has a rhyme on. So that could be your dad, but we don't know. So guys, see, get you enough couple guys. So that's our dad right there in the orange, right there. That'll do it right there. Guys, yeah, that's our dad right there. Jet skis. So they're going down. I'm just going to follow them. I didn't mean first person. I went into like a view of me. So yeah, that sort of made it. So yeah. Guys, I need to watch out because obviously there's water. Water and iPads don't go well together, guys. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm going to be very careful. I'm going to stop the recording just now. Oh, but I'll also show you. That's a jet ski. Guys, this is getting windy, so I'm just going to get off this. That is pitch black. No, that is pitch black. Dad's here on today. No. That is basically pitch black. There's lots of things. So yeah guys, Loch is a thing down there. It'll come back.
Come on, we'll get you.
Hey guys, case over
Literally
the
been
wetsuit's on. Get you back. Hey guys, I've arrived. I'm in my gear, my wetsuit. So is Nathan. My mum isn't. My mum's not. I don't know where our dad actually, well my dad actually is. Evie's in the jet ski with him just now. Okay, that's them there. Usually we go like away down there, just by that, just round that corner. That. But guys, this is Loch Lomond. Do you hear voices that aren't ours? It's just because I want to see a follow. Yeah, there's a. Usually, my dad likes to make circles, then go out.
Give me that and I'll take your pictures.
Hey guys, Mum's just going to take pictures. Guys, I would love to say thank you so much for watching this video. Sadly, Liam couldn't be here, but just I couldn't have my friend in me. I didn't even know if he wanted to be here because I didn't. Because we've been cut off of school, but guys, expect lots of more videos. There's a school break here in Britain. I don't know about in America. There's probably not, but I don't know. There could be. Guys, I just have to say thank you a billion times for watching this video. It means a lot. It's also really fun for me to make these videos here at Loch Lomond, at my house, at Liam's house. Fun videos, sports videos, fun videos, gaming videos, any video you can think of. So fun to make it and know people are actually watching it. I said at the start I would leave their channels in the description. Their channel names at least. Guys, until next time, peace.